This is a video of putting your glow sticks in the microwave. So you don't want to do it for too long, otherwise you'll have a glowing mess to clean up, but note they are much brighter than they would be if you had just shooken them up. So you want to do about 10 seconds or so. So that is how to make your glow sticks extremely bright.